Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. आज cues are pretty mixed from the Asian equity markets. Some are up, some are down. So nothing much, at least for the Indian rupee. क्योंकि USDINR ऐसे भी it's in a range, 82.80 on the down and 83.20-25 on the up, with an interim resistance at 83.10. So how to play it? The scalpers, or rather say the short-term traders here, scalpers and short-term traders, both are trying to buy the dips near 82.80 with a stop below 82.75, and they are selling near 83.20 with a stop above 83.30. ये spot levels हैं. So you can do the same. Keep an eye on the interim resistance around 83.10 on the spot, क्योंकि ऑफशोर में 83.05-06 के आसपास है, तो 83.10 के आसपास I expect it to get stuck. Generally gaps don't sustain in this market. So 82.80, 83.25 is the broad range on the spot for this week. अगर 82.80 breaks with volume, then we can say that near-term top is in place, and हो सकता है we can see 82.30 or even 82 levels. But जब तक 82.80 is intact, this is the range. And also you can say the bull hopes are still alive, क्योंकि global cues are quite supportive for the dollar. US bond deals में हल्का सा pullback आया था on Friday, but that's just a temporary pullback because the bond yields are still significantly higher. तो इसके लिए इसके positive impact will continue to be there on the dollar. Oil prices are stable, but at high levels, again slightly positive on the dollar. At the same time, equity markets, as I said, it's a mixed bag, so there are no definite cues from there. So ये situation में globally at least, dollar can be on a strengthening part, and we are seeing that dollar index continue to surge. But Asian currencies, emerging market currencies, some of them are not able to participate with the dollar index because of the central bank interventions, including the Indian rupee. जो bond inclusion का बात, rather bond inclusion का जो news है, जो last week आया था, uska impact we will see over a period of time, and we have explained it. I'll just touch upon it, क्योंकि there are two kinds of flows which can happen. One are the index related flows जो next year June से start होगा. दूसरा are the traders who want to front run it and want to buy ahead of it, तो उनका भी एक flows आ सकता है. But जब तक US bond yields are rising, that creates a very negative situation for global bond markets. इसलिए flows can pick up when the US bond yields start heading south. So that's one thing to keep in mind on. Cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR, JPY INR, तीनों currencies can be under selling pressure, क्योंकि dollar index, as I said, which is a representative of all these three, Euro, GBP and Yen, is on a upswing. So इसके लिए ये तीनों currency pairs can be under selling pressure and on a bearish trend. ये हफ्ता जैसे आज German IFO है, which will have a direct bearing on Euro INR. इसके अलावा यूरोजोन से CPI है, कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स, इन्फ्लेशन, तो उसका भी एक इम्पैक्ट रहेगा. अदरवाइज देयर आर नो हाई प्रोफाइल इकोनॉमिक डेटा, सो इट विल बी बेसिकली the global cues, risk appetite, which will determine the trend for the currencies. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.